So I'm in the process of putting this back together, and I just thought I'd show you what I came up with to keep kids' fingers away from the battery. So I've got one of these strapped ratchet things here. It had a Velcro strap that went up and around here, but it wasn't quite long enough for the taller aspect of the lithium battery. So this is the side of a bottle here that I've cut off, and I suppose I should show you how it looks there. I'll just pause and undo that. Okay, so under there's the battery, 8 cells. It's fused just after that on the positive side with a 15 amp fuse. I've put a tiny little piece of material in there to stop, it's like circuit board material, just in case that wants to try to wear through on those wires. And I've zip tied around the bottom of the battery pack here so that the wires can't push up against this piece of metal in there that I just thought better safe than sorry, and I wrapped it back up in this phenolic to just protect the case so there's no exposed metal. So yeah, that's where we're at, and plug her in there. So just unplugging that allows me to remove the battery, and then I'm charging each cell on lithium iron phosphate at 6 amps, and it's taken an enormous amount of juice to get it to the point where they've filled up. Like, each one of them was swallowing like anywhere from 3,000 milliamp hour units to like one of them swallowed 6 before it filled. The entire pack says it's a 10 amp hour pack, so I'm not real sure about whether it was actually what it was meant to be, because down there it says, that's the old sticker. You've got to remember there's 4 cells removed. But yeah, so we have lights, we have full power, switch works, motor works. What I found interesting is if you look at these online, they no longer come with an aluminium wheel, they come with a spoked wheel, and they say that they're only like a 1 speed. I guess that means like on and off, but this is a proper speed control, and they're retailing for about $550 in Australia. I picked this up for $150 off the side of the road. Anyway, there it is, lithium upgrade. Thanks for watching.